Plastic bags are often used in our daily life. They are designed to be used only once and will be thrown away after being used. However, instead of throwing the plastic bags away, Taiwanese make good use of it. In some areas in Taiwan, it rains over 2/3 days a year. So, Taiwanese came up with a brilliant idea. They tie plastic bags on their shoes. On top of this behavior of Taiwanese people, we added a little touch. We did some research into traditional shoes in Taiwan, such as embroidered shoes and straw sandals. We invented an easy method to tie good-looking shoe cover easily. Tie your bag and brace our land.